You know, this game is so interesting. As you take a look at the schedule on the GMA News TV schedule, some of the players from Cagayan and their game is still to come. They're already watching this game. Bored na sila doon sa locker room nila. Sawa na sila sa isa't isa. Balse.
So I'm sure narinig nila yung fans, di ba?
Cheer. Sure. Ano kaya pinagsisigawan doon? No? Caballejo. Bunag touch the net.
Well, itong Air Force, you know, here in the first set, ang Air Force is just playing their game.
Last 4 points have been scored by the Air Force.
Carolino. Finally
ending that long drought. So a while before they scored, it's now 16-17 as Carolino proceeds to the service area.
Well, obviously, so far here in the first set, medyo kumakapa yung Army sa defense. That's why Salak's not able to utilize the offensive power ng Army.
That's a good observation. In the meantime, Pantino gets to it. Adjusting along the way. Daki's got to it. Nicely done. And it's outside.
See Coach Clarence, I saw him. He already reacted. Okay, it's outside. Casas, good serve.
Always a good serve. Dakis cranks it up. Di makulangan. Ginawang set. Huli si Pantino.
That's right. They called it not over. Pero you know what's good for Team Army naman? Their blocking is working for them.
Camille Abanto got to it. Si Camille ang libero today, ano? Dakis hook it over. Ayan. Ang daming humuhook ngayon, ha?
That's true.
You know, Caballero doesn't show too much emotion, but she relished that moment.
Can spike rin eh.
Can spike. Kumisa sinasabay sila ni Rhea pa nga eh.
Oo.
Let's see how this works out. Tina Salak. Dakis. In the air. Chaseable? Yes, indeed. Abanto got to it.
Still alive.
Salak will dump. Yes, I know it. Now, ever since talking to Coach Bob last Friday, I know when it's going to happen. I saw the shoulder tilt down a little.
Yeah.
Diba na, huli ko eh. Tina will dump.
Tsaka, she did it at the right moment kasi nagsa-scramble pa tong defense ng Air Force.
And she does it pag yung patapos ng set eh. Manto, steady. Andaya pala ang magsiset para sa pupunan ng Air Force. Dakis gallops. Pantino. Oh, they got it!
That's right. That touched the blockers. Medyo si Dakis was out of position.
This is close and tight. This first set, long and fiercely fought.
For one thing we noticed, dati ang Army, when they relax, okay lang, they always have that leeway to catch up. Now, parang people are catching up to them, you know?
Yung bagang allowance.
Oo.
They have been having problems with Torres. Pantino. And she's scoring at will. And they love her. I don't know why, but they love her. Maganda mga laro. Tamang-tamang kombinasyon.
Oo. And still growing. I still see some people enter.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, Casas. People love it when it's kept alive. Nahuli si Salak dun. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh!
Dakis ending the madness. Natatawa si Di Ramos.
Natatawa sila lahat pa si Andaya with a big smile. Si Dakis got the last kalmot.
Just a great piece of volleyball action. 19-21. They need every point. That's why they're scrambling. You're right. Scrambling is the word. Huli si Pantino.
Bumalik.
Set up ni Simana. Bunag, masipag. Set ni Salak.
Oh! Veteran move! Para kay Mary Jean Balse. Kitang-kita niya, no? That part of the court, walang tao.
And she hasn't gotten too many sets this afternoon yet. No, wala pa sa tiempo. But she's trying to score points creatively.
Well, you know, like we were saying earlier nga, their defense, I heard Tina Salak say that in their huddle. Kailangan nila magdepensa.
And Balse scores another way. Semana trying to look for a hole. Salak. Semana, no, it's Andaya.
Scrambling again ang Air Force.
Salak reverses. Balse.
Oh!
Last 3 points kanya.
That's right. Nagising si Mary Jean Balse. Ang maganda sa last na palo na yan, she adjusted, Medyo hindi yung set na gusto niya. She adjusted and yung ugali talaga ni Balse.
So parang si Balse. Ito yun.
Well, Coach Clarence, injected ito si Di Makulangan to the fold.
Binalik no?
Oo.
In the meantime, Pantino. Medyo yumuyuko na sa depensa yung back row. And that is in. That is in.
One more time para kay Balsa. She's taking over itong first set.
Yep. When it matters, 23-21.
Well, Coach Clarence was mentioning, ilan na yun, cross-court. So the defense obviously has to adjust. The blockers have to stand their ground.
Yung Makulangan. Talagang binayo talaga ni Ortiz yun. Kabila tayo. Oy! Plakda! Walang wrist.
That's right. That's a crucial error naman para sa Air Force because we have set point. Oh!
May kamag-anak na naman dumating na ayaw dumating. Hindi dapat dumating. Di ba, don't you notice, when it's a bad serve, at a crucial part, everybody looks away.
Yeah, parang,
ba't dumating yan? Sino nagimitan yan?
Tsaka sabi yung umiikot yung ice mo.
May dala ba siya? May dala ba siya ng siopaw na may half chicken sa loob? Samantala, Balse finishes it!
It's a Balse set, Sam?
No problem about it. Balse, kahit anong pa ba sabihin mo. She's in charge. She was in charge of the last 6 points. And in our shake and play, well, this really mattered. And this is the setup. Why not go to where you're getting some points?
That's right, Balse for the nth time.
Ako si Mary Jean Balse ng Philippine Army Lady Troopers. At kayo'y nanood ng Shakey's B-League Season 10.